Okay, hi everyone. Here we will start tajimeat part 5. Okay, tomorrow inshallah we will start in the course. It will have a lot of the newest tajimeat in a PDF special for the course students, and we have the most important rules and examples and problems for each one. Okay, from the newest tajimeat. Okay, let's start. Here we have Ahmed has 400 riyals. 1 over 8 of them are of the half riyals, and 1 of 7 of them are of 1 riyals, and 1 over 6 of them are in 5 riyals. How many 5 riyal notes does he have in all? Okay, how can we get it? First, we have 1 over 8 of the 400, okay, which is meaning 40 divided by 8, which is 5, and we have 0, so it will be 50. And then we have, so the remaining is 50 from 400, which is 350, okay, which is 1 over 7 of them, of the remaining, which is 350, is 1 real, so times by 1 over 7. The same 35 divided by 7, which is 5, and we have here 0, so it will be 50. So when we take 50 from 350, the remaining is 300. Okay, 1 over 6 of them is 5 reals. So 330 divided by 6 is the same 5, and we have 0, so it will be 50. So how many 5 reals we have? He wants how many 5 reals. So how many 5 reals we have? They are 50. Okay, but he wants how many they are, the number of the notes. Okay, so how many 5 in the 50? How many 5 reals in the 50 reals? We have 10 reals, 10 of the 5 reals, okay, or 10 notes of them. Okay, here is adding, which is 2 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 7 over 8 plus 1 over 2 plus 16 over 9 plus 2 over 9. Okay, how can we solve them? 2 over 4 we can simplify it, which is 1 over 2. Okay, so 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, it will be 2 over 2, which is 1. So, okay, the first one. 1 over 8 plus 7 over 8, which is meaning 8 over 8, which is meaning again 1. Okay, and then 16 over 9 plus 2 over 9, which is 18 over 9, which is meaning 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4. So the answer will be 4. Here he said that x bigger than 0 and y less than 0, and he wants you to get x times y and x minus y, compare between them, sorry, okay? X bigger than 0, so it's meaning that it's positive. Y less than 0, it's meaning that it's negative. So here we will times positive times negative. It will be negative. Okay, here it's positive minus negative, which is meaning positive, and positive adding to positive 1, which is meaning positive. So which one is bigger? The positive result, which is B. So the second value is the bigger. Here he wants you to compare between them. I have 4.5 over 15 and the other value, which is 40.5 over 1.5. Okay, first I want to make here 15 like this one. How can we make it? That we will times down and up by 10. So here it will be 405 and down it will be 15. Okay, so which one is bigger? 415 dividing by 15, 405, sorry, dividing by 15, or 4.5 dividing by 15. If we divide 405, for example, reals or anything over 15 people, it's meaning that it will be more. Yes, so the second value, which is greater, so B is greater. The second one here, he said that the length of one side of the small square is 0.04. What is the area of the wall shape? Here we have 25 squares. Okay, he may write the number of them or you will count them. Okay, the length of one side, the one side which is 0.04. So first we will get the area of one square. Okay, the area of one square, and then times it by 4, because we have 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the area of one square Okay, times the number of the squares, which is 25. Okay, so the area of the square, which is meaning side squared, so the side length squared, which is 0.04 squared, times 4 times 25. If we times them with each other, they will be 0.16. So the answer will be this one. Next one here we have 7 minus 9. Okay, 7 minus 9, which is in absolute value, it will be the same, it will be negative 2. Okay, so the answer will be negative 2. Here we have the square root of 88 plus 2 minus 11 squared. Okay, how can we solve it? Okay, 2 minus 11, which is negative 9 squared. Yes, which is meaning 88 minus 81. Squaring of negative 9. Okay, how can we here we have the answers, it doesn't have any of them, so how can we solve it? Okay, here it's a plus. Okay, we have here 81 plus here and here. Okay, so we should convert this one to any of one of them. Okay, 88, which is meaning, which equals to, okay, 88 we can make it 4 times 22. Okay, plus 81, the square root of 4, it will be 2, and we have a square root of 22 under the root, and we have 81, which is the same answer like A. Okay, next one here we have x squared plus y squared equals 0, and he wants you to get x plus y. To get it, x squared plus y squared equals 0, so automatic x plus y equals the same 0, so the answer will be 0. Here we have a year, which is 365 days. We have here comparing between 1750 hours. Okay, and the other one, which is fifth of the year. What's meaning of fifth of the year? Fifth of the year, which is meaning fifth times 365. Okay, times it again by 24 to convert the, because here we have days. Okay, fifth of the year, which is in days, and then convert it to hours like this one by times it by 24. So the answer will be 1752. Okay, so which one is bigger? The fifth of the year. Okay, next one here we have x squared plus y squared equals 0, and we have x times y equals 18, and he wants you to get the value of x plus y. Okay, how can we solve it? We will squaring x plus y squared, and if we break it into if we factorize it, it's meaning that x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Yeah, factorizing. Okay, so we have the value of x squared plus y squared, which is 0. Okay, we have it here, plus 2 times x times y, we have xy, which is 18, so 2 times 18. Okay, for this value to get x plus y squared. Okay, so 2 times 18 will be 36, and here we have x plus y squared. Okay, we want only x plus y, so we will take the square root of it to cancel the squaring, which equals to 6. So it equals to 6. Thank you for listening.